Hello, friends. How are you doing? And how is your learning journey going on? I hope you are doing a lot of practice with the words that were learned during the last week. In the series of new words, today's word is metal. Metal. Let's see what is meant by metal. Metal refers to the ability and determination to continue despite difficulties. So, how do we spell metal? We spell it as METTLE and pronounce it as metal. Metal. Let us try to understand it. What was the scenario? RWA arranged for a 5-kilometer long food walk for the elderly people living in the locality. So, what was the difficulty in the above case? The difficulty was advancing age and tiredness, right? Remember, we had arranged the walk for elderly people living in the locality. So, what was the result? In spite of being tired, the participants proved their mettle by completing the 5-kilometer long food walk. So, what does that mean? That means people continued in their efforts and were able to complete the food walk, so they were able to prove their mettle. Let's see some more examples. The competition will test her mettle. The next game will be a real test of their mettle. She really showed her mettle under pressure. The team will be on their mettle for a long time. The students have proved their mettle in almost every arena. All of them had shown their mettle in the previous engagements. Let's try to understand how it can be used in case of enemy army. The enemy army challenged the soldiers, but none of the soldiers had the mettle to face the enemy. She showed her mettle by winning in spite of her handicap. Both players were on their mettle in the final round. What else? Yes, some more examples. She really showed her mettle under pressure. He will have to be on his mettle if he wants to win the next race. He had been on his mettle throughout. The best place to test a motorcycle's mettle is on a twisty mountain road. When the boss comes around, I want you all to show your mettle. The school inspection is going to put the teachers on their mettle. The next game will be a real test of their mettle. Cooking for such important people really puts you on your mettle. This was just his way of keeping me on my mettle. Then about a fighter pilot. He was an outstanding fighter pilot who proved his mettle in a variety of tough assignments, including 2 wars. So, now that we have looked at a lot of examples, I'm sure you will find it easy to use in your day-to-day conversation. So, get ready for that. Happy learning!